Alright, I'm going to show you how to use any Keurig cup in the Keurig 2.0, which for some reason only uses 2.0 cups. I got mine from Tim Hortons. This is for the normal Keurig machine. This is how we do it. Put it in there. We have this here. This is from an actual 2.0 Keurig cup that we cut off from the top. It got ripped. It doesn't need to be perfect. A little piece of tape. And we're gonna tape that on there. Sometimes it's a little bit fidgety and won't work. That looks good, eh? See, it's not perfect, but it's on there. Put it down. First try. No problem. There we go. We're getting Sony'd a little bit. There we are. See? And there we go. And it works. So that's how you do it. Quite easy.